losing your money. Hey, Danny here, welcome to my vlog. Well, there it is, the Moto Z6 is now at home. It took us a little bit to get it here. Running a little rough, so it's definitely going to be a project. Of course, the fog's rolling in here. But main thing is it's home, and I'll go through it. I got to go through it with a fine-tooth comb. This is the Moto Z6 Boss 600. The
four-wheel drive.
Off and on for we got they washed it up pretty good. I'm afraid he got stuff wet, so it's running a little rough. As you saw in the last video, he had gotten the wheel bearing was out, so he got the wheel bearing on for us. I can see it needs a new thing there, so I'm gonna back it up under here for now. And it's starting to rain, of course. Run a little rough, not sure why, but a little rough. Let me get it off of it.
My turn.
Yeah, your turn.
It's got some tough lights in the back.
Okay. Grab that little block of wood right there, please. Block of wood, right there, right up against the thing here.
Yes.
Throw it on the wheel.
Honey, you can't just not tell me.
Throw it on the wheel. Throw it on the wheel.
Don't let off.
Well, you put the back wheel.